You a bad mamma jamma. Well, this is the aftermath. We had snow. Tell you one thing. It is cold out there. Let's see if we can at least get on the road. Isn't this lovely? Just stay on your side, buddy. Unfortunately, you're where the snow is. And slide. Just got to be a slow go this morning, folks. I don't know how to impress upon you what 30 below feels like. Oh yeah, when I talked to one of the people I work for who's going to remain nameless and said, hey, the roads are clear. Well, because there's no accounting for taste when you're an asshole. The roads aren't clear. That was a little water got on the windshield. Now it froze. But we're just going to take it slow and steady. See what the interstate looks like. I mean, this is the main drag right here that looks like they've cleaned it. They've plowed it to some degree. It's just rock hard ice. That's all it is. Sorry that you're looking right at those spots there, but can't get rid of them. I got the defrost going, try to heat them things off. So I could kind of hold you over. It's the blowing snow coming across the fields. It's like I'm one of the only assholes out here. But I'm running 20. Not as far as I want to push it. Is it because I don't know what everybody else is going to be doing? A couple cars go by and you got one like little window about the size of a dinner plate on their windshield they're looking out of, rather than clean the shit off before you get on the road. It's the day before Christmas Eve, so I think it's safe to say that we are definitely going to have a white Christmas. Because this stuff ain't going nowhere anytime soon. Big ass snowplow. Salt. But there, I mean, you can't, it's been plowed. What's on there is just frozen solid to the road. But I'll give a shout out to Sammy Hagar. She started like a trooper this morning and then promptly died. And she fired right back up and said, "To hell with you, it's too cold, I don't want to run," and died. Finally forced her to run. And then when she started idling good, she's been a champ. So I think right now would be a good time to put some little musical interlude in. You can just watch the drive. Try to get rid of that stuff right there. Well, I can't go that way. As you can see, the road's blocked off. You know, it's always somebody will mess it up for everybody. This just sucks. Now come on. Did y'all see that? And this is Interstate 75 on Thursday afternoon, before this big ass storm that's coming. So this will give you kind of a before. And then tomorrow, maybe you'll see the after if I venture out for work. I have to wait and see how that goes. The jury is still out, depending on what the weatherman brings. Let's see what it's like on the interstate now. See if it's any better. You think? I think they have plowed it, problem is blowing snow. It just covers it all back up again. And that's about as far as I'm going to push this thing right here. I'd like to get back to the barn in one piece. And I don't know if I'm in a lane or not, to be honest with you. I'm just driving. I don't believe that's a lane, asshole. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta watch these people. See, if you get in a hurry, that's when things happen. That's when bad stuff happens. Like this car up here. Apparently he got in a hurry. Now how he wound all the way over there facing the opposite direction is anybody's guess. I think it's when we rush, bad things happen. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. The fire is so delightful. And since we know gifts to wrap, time to scrap, time to scrap, time to scrap. I don't believe I'm going to find any scrap out today. I'm just driving on just solid ice. These boys are hauling ass around me. They're just going to have to keep hauling ass, guys. This is as fast as I'm going, boys. Knock yourselves out. Or you wind up like that guy over there. Have at it. Well, it's getting over for some reason or another. Well, I got one going the wrong way. This is what happens when you speed. Let me guess, somebody's stuck. Hey, we're stuck. We can't get out. People are strange. There are some days that are conducive to scrapping, and some days that are conducive to napping. Stuck back in the snowbank. Another one's trying to do something. Both their hoods up. It looks like it needs to jump. And there is a jackknife trailer. You're driving too fast, people. Do you not see what happens when you drive too fast? Then the state troopers got to come out. You're blocking the interstate. Everybody's pointing and laughing. When you rush, that's when bad things happen. This guy is spends a lot of time in college, goes to Harvard Medical School, becomes a doctor. That's what he always wanted to do. And one year he decided he was going to go to the Amazon. He's going to help out some of the tribes there with the outbreak of COVID-19 they're experiencing. So when he gets there, the tribe that he gets to, it's just, he sees that it's nothing but a tribe full of men. So then he starts questioning, going, well, you have no women here, so what do you all do to relieve sexual tension? And the tribal leader, the chief, he says, well, I'll tell you what, since you're a guest here, you want to come down to the meet me at the river in the morning, and we'll show you how we do it. So the next morning he wakes up bright and early, and he heads on down to the river with the rest of them and the tribal chief, and got the whole tribe there, and they got a donkey sitting there. And the tribal chief says, well, since you're our guest and you're here to help us, well, you get to go first. So the doctor, not wanting to, upset him, well, he goes over to the donkey and he starts hugging and kissing, caressing, and then he starts to make love to the donkey. After about 10 minutes of that, the tribal chief kind of comes over to him and says, are you about finished? Because we need that donkey to get us across the river here so we can go to the next door tribe where the women are. Asshole.